Welcome to Road to 100 on questions. PQR is a rectangle. Two circles with centers A and B are drawn inside as shown, which is the three sides of the rectangle. A semicircle is drawn in the same radius as the two circles and touches the two circles and has its diameter on PQ as shown. Right. SP is 2. So SP is 2, which means radius will be 1. Right. And what will be approximately the area of rectangle? So one way is to solve approximately. Works sometimes, doesn't work sometimes. Here approximately the diameter of this is 2. Diameter of this is 2. And if this circle was in the center here, so this diameter would have been 2 because the same radius. So area would have been 6 2s are 12. But since this is not on the center, so area will be less than 12. 6 into 2 is 12, but since it's not a center, less than 12. So you can mark the answer A11 because there's only one option which is less than 12. So approximately works sometimes in geometry. Anyway, another way of solving this is, so we know that it touches. So that means radius is 1, so this whole length becomes 2. This height is 1. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle where hypotenuse is 2 and one side is 1. The other side will be root 3. You can take it as 30, 60, 90 triangle, or you can do by Pythagoras theorem. You will get third side as root 3. That is root of 2 square minus 1 square will be root 3. So if this is root 3, then out here this also will be root 3. So total PQ is nothing but 1 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 1. Which is nothing but 2 plus root 3 is 1.73. So 3.46 or 5.46. So area of a rectangle is nothing but 2 into 5.46. If you look at it, it becomes almost 10.92. Slightly more than that, but around 10.92. The closest answer is 11, A option. You can mark the answer. Hexagon is inscribed in a circle with center O. If you look at a circle and a hexagon, so it touches the circle BC. Suppose you draw a tangent from here. Okay, it touches the circle at B and C. O is the center of the circle. And T is the point from where tangent is drawn. TO is 20. Now what do you know? Since it's a tangent, this angle should be 90 degree. Since the tangent, this angle should be 90. Because this is a hexagon, the central angle is 60. So this half angle will be 30. So if you look at TBO is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. TBO is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Where we know TO is 20. If TO is 20, then automatically length of tangent TB will become 10. Because side opposite 90 is 20 and side opposite 30 is 10 based on 30, 60, 90 angle. So we can directly mark B option, 10 centimeters. Speed of water flowing in a square pipe is 10 meters per second. Cross section of the pipe is 3 centimeters and it's a square pipe. So first convert to meter because everything is given in meters. So 0.03. So area will be 0.03 the whole square area of the cross section. And total length of the flow will be 10 meters per second and is flowing for 5 minutes. That is 5 into 60 seconds. So total water length of the flow into a cross section 0.03 square. It's like a tube, right? Tube is area into length is the volume. Area of the base into the length will be the volume. Same way here, area of the base is here and is the length. That is 10 meters per second into how much it flowed for 300 seconds. Solve this 10 into 300. I converted all to meters in second. 0.03 into 0.03. 2 zeros, the point will get shifted. 1 0 point will get shifted one place. So you solve this, you will get 2.7. So 2.7 square meter. C option. A and B are 4 positive numbers. Normally when you have variable, just substitute value. Let's say A is 3 and B is 2. What do you get? 3 minus 2, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. So you get total as 6. So if you get total as 6, So maximum of 3 and 2 is 3, not this. Minimum of 3 and 2 is 2, not this. Twice maximum of 3 and 2 is 6, yes. Twice minimum of 3 and 2 is 4, no. So the answer has to be C option. That's the only option that gives you 6. Here just substitute a value, you will get the answer quickly. So 6 will be the answer. Minimum value. Put x equal to 0 first. So you get minus 8 upon 2, which is minus 4. Yeah. If I put any value, let's say if I put plus 1 or minus 1, x raised to 4 and x square will become 1 and 1. This will become minus 7 upon 3. Now this is bigger than minus 4. And if you put any other value, if you notice the numerator will become lesser negative or will become positive. So technically the minimum value is minus 4. That will be the answer, C option. Because if you substitute any other value, like 2, 3, 4, the value, this whole thing will keep on increasing because the numerator will become positive after some time. So the minimum value will be minus 4. So that will be the answer, C option. Just substitute values and check out. Sometimes substitution will always give the answer. Thank you.